Hi guys, welcome everyone. Taste the World with Chef Fasa YouTube channel. Today we are going to make the new sandwich bread. This one called butter bread. This is trending in Dubai. So let's see the ingredients. Let's go guys. I'm going to explain the ingredients. This is all-purpose flour, 500 gram. This is T55 flour, 500 gram. This is milk powder, 100 gram. Custard sugar, 80 gram. Bread improver, 15 gram. If you don't have bread improver, it's no problem. You can add extra 5 gram yeast. So this is dry yeast, 30 gram. This is salt, 20 gram. Butter, I have 200 grams. So butter I'm going to add end of the mixer. I will add. So I will show you guys when I'm going to add the butter. This is 5 eggs. So also I'm going to add. This is 250 ml cold water. Let's go guys for mixing. So first I'm going to start in slow speed, 3 minutes. Already finished 3 minutes. Now I'm going to change second speed at 7 minutes. Let's go. Okay guys, now already finished 10 minutes. So we are going to add the butter. Let me show you how is the dough. Look at this. Should be like this. So now I'm gonna add butter. This is 200 gram butter. Guys, now already finished my mixing. So I'm going to take out. Let me show you how was the dough. You can see it's not sticking on the bowl anymore. So it was already separate. Let me show you how it looks. Look at this. Stick. Wow. Look at this. See guys how it looks. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, my dough is ready, so I'm going to divide 1 gram, one portion, 65 gram. This is is my bread mold, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use a little bit butter spread. Look at this. So it should be like that. I'm going to arrange nicely the bread mold. Look at this. So every dough I'm gonna arrange the same way. I will show you. Okay guys, now it's already done. Now I'm going to put in the flour. Have a look. Okay, now I will cover with my bread mold. Let's go to the flour. Okay guys, we will keep until we froth the bread. I believe it will take like 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So let's see guys. Okay, I give 1.5 hour. Let's see after 1.5 hour guys. Okay guys, already finished now 1.5 hour. Now we are ready to bake. Look at this, almost 75% reach up. So I'm gonna use egg spread.